But actually, if you lived up in there, that'd also be cool too. So, dang, man, these are cool apartments. Like this green one right here. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, today's goal is to see some totally different parts of Bangkok. And just for reference's point, I'm staying here at this called High Residences, HI. And I believe over there is I know this way is definitely a soak, but a soak you have to basically go all the way down that way, and then you have to go all the way down that way, and it's probably I'm gonna guess like a 40-minute walk, but on the map it looks like this. Some of these condos would have an Ahsoka address. I chose to stay out here for a day. I just want to see some different stuff of Bangkok, so that's basically what I'm doing today. And look at that. Man. So let's see what other different stuff I can find. Markets. Food. Huh. This is interesting. Wow. I haven't smelled these smells in a long time. I was just in Koh Samui, and Koh Samui has changed so much. I've only been there one other time, and it was 1996. So that was 23 years ago from right now, 2019. And it's such a different place. But I walked by that space right there, I could smell the old smells that I used to smell in Bangkok from 20 years ago. And I was just reflecting on the fact that I don't smell those smells anymore. So we're just gonna walk. This is sometimes I Google Map, and I just kind of drop the map in the most random places, and I'll see stuff like this. And I think a lot of Bangkok looks like this. And basically you have shops on the ground floor, and then people live up in the houses above it. So let's see, this is going at about 2 minutes and 40 seconds. I'm going to keep this one short. I think you're going to get a good view of it from this one. And basically what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to walk around places that tourists never go. So my goal for the next couple of days is to get around to a lot of different parts of Bangkok. And this would include one of them. So, okay, Ahsoka Ratchada, the line. I think I walked by that condo. Ratchasada is the other one that's in this area. Let me just see. I'm just gonna walk. So we're gonna walk. Got a pretty good idea what that particular street looks like. And I'm basically gonna walk to some place called Tesco and Rama 9 shopping mall. I think it's gonna be a good 20-minute walk. But it helps me kind of see more what the city looks like too. It's pretty cool. See some different things, you know. Some graffiti up here. This one says, "I ain't got no teeth." I'll take a picture of that one. There we go. It's kind of cool. I ain't got no teeth. That's really cool. So, okay, I think we could walk down this way, but I'm gonna see. I hope that I can take a right here. We're gonna follow this kind of cool looking graffitied wall. And let's see, how long should I go for this one? It's at almost 4.5 minutes now. So I won't go for much longer. Ah, look at this, here's a law and accounting office. Showing law office right there. Beautifying their space. So I do see a street here. And there's a sewing. So let's just see. Okay, so I can just keep on walking. And I see some kind of large buildings up there, so I'm gonna guess that that's maybe near the destination of this small thing I'm trying to find. Look how cool these apartments are. Park there and live upstairs, you know? Man, those are cool. I like to live in something like that, actually. But actually, if you lived up in there, that'd also be cool too, so. Dang. Man, these are cool apartments. Like this green one right here. Actually, I'm kind of somewhat looking for where I might want to live. And I've been kind of thinking about Bangkok. We're gonna try to keep this one. Oh, look at that. Oh, yeah, that looks really cool. Like just rows and rows of apartments. Back alley. Sometimes I look at pictures of like East Coast American cities like Baltimore, Philadelphia, and things like that. Like, wow, that looks really cool. Like these kind of row homes, but they're not safe. Like they don't have good neighborhoods, they don't have good schooling. If they did, I would love to live in one of those, but the sacrifices are too high. Okay, this is pretty cool. This is exactly the kind of stuff I wanted to do today. Nice apartment spaces. Look at that. Bangkok. This is cool. It's really sewer smelling. Oh, look at that artwork. Wow, it's really cool artwork. So, okay. Here's the other side. So I'm going to conclude right here. So I'm basically just kind of exploring some back streets and just seeing some of the more unusual spots of Bangkok. Are we going to stop right there?